morning, everybody. I didn't film it, but if you guys saw my Instagram, which I hope you guys follow, I took out the IRP shifter and installed the RTD shifter. So I didn't really have a good relationship with this. I mean, it's good for the street, but the knob just doesn't feel good in the hand. And you know a knob's got to feel good in the hand. And then these metal pins, the springs and everything rattle a bunch. And it's a good shifter, don't get me wrong. It's not the self-centering one, but I decided to trade that out and get myself, like I said, the RTD shifter, which I think is worlds better. Just look at that thing. Ever since driving Rodell's car, I love this shifter, and I'd always want to drive his car just for that. Every time I drove it, I fell back in love with it. The shifts are just super crisp, super precise. The IRP would be kind of clunky. You never knew exactly which gear you were in. Right now, I'm still learning. The gates are so close with this now that sometimes I'll accidentally go into third instead of first, but see it, and it actually rocks back. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth. There's no reverse lockout, so all the way and up. Once again, first, second, third. Here's fourth, back to third, fourth, third, to second, third, fourth, fifth. So I'm gonna clean this up. I had to take the panel off, so excuse that. I just got to epoxy it back on, clean up the wires in here. I was still able to use the rubber boot, but some also project was I took out the cup holder. I gutted the rear end a lot more. So door cards are gone. This entire top shelf is gone. The trunk is completely gutted, but the main thing is why I haven't posted anything on Instagram or YouTube for a while was I had motor issues. 2 track days with this car, and because an old tune was left on it, sorry, the car ran lean, so piston rings got fried and car was misfiring, really low on power, so decided to take it out, do a whole new, like not a rebuild but a refresh. So all new gaskets, oil pan, valve seals, brand new M50 manifold kit, brand new belts and pulleys and tensioners, water pump down there, aluminum T-stat housing or aluminum T-stat. What else? New throwout bearing. So that loud chattering I thought was maybe just a lightweight clutch, what I was told, but it's actually a throwout bearing. The lightweight clutch still makes noise, but it's not as bad. But I completely, M50 manifold. I think that's basically it. But so now the car, fingers crossed, I have terrible luck, runs flawlessly, so should be beast. And can't wait to get out there, but definitely stick around on the channel. If you guys also didn't see, I got the AM Solo 2, so we're gonna be looking at lap times. I am possibly interested in selling my passenger seat, so if you're in the area and you're interested in buying this Sparco Evo seat, please reach out and let me know. It's one of the newer models. It's a size small, in perfect condition, no rips or tears. Let me see if the sticker, I'll have to look, but if you're not wheel-to-wheel racing, then the expiration date won't essentially matter, but 2023. So it expires 2023. But if you're not wheel-to-wheel racing or FIA racing, you'll be fine. So small Sparco Evo, I guess let it go for $600, preferably picked up picked up, because if I need to ship, that's gonna cost an arm and a leg. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Take care.